Suprabhat, Guten Morgen. On behalf of KV AFS Sulur family, I extend a warm welcome to the Deputy Commissioner of Chennai Region KVSRO, Dr. M. Rajeshwari Madam. So today we are having the inaugural function of Open Gym at our school, and with me is our principal, Sri V. Meghanathan, and Dr. Chandrasekhar, Director of Physical Education Department. We are going towards the venue of the Open Gym with our teachers and other staff. Lead kindly light. I request our sir to light a candle along with Dr. Chandrasekhar. Any inauguration is incomplete without an invocation. I invite our music teacher, Mrs. R. Padmavati, to present the invocation song.
जगज्जननी सुखपानि कल्याणी जगज्जननी सुखपानि कल्याणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सुखस्वरूपिणी मधुरवाणी सोक्कनादर्मनम् मगिळुं मीनाक्षी जगजननी
Sangathan Chennai region, guiding factor for all Kendriya Vidyalayas. Most respected Assistant Commissioner Sri Brahmanandam Sir, respected HM of KVAFS Sulu, Physical Education Director Dr. P. Chandrasekhar and all learner teachers. A very good morning to all of you. At this juncture, I extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. M. Rajeshwari ma'am for selecting KV Sulu as one of the schools among 10 Kendriya Vidyalayas in KV Chennai region, having trust and faith in the team of our school and giving us the platform to install Open Gym, which is a tool for the stress busting factor of all the children as well as for the physical and mental well-being. On behalf of the entire KVS Sulu family, I welcome our Deputy Commissioner Madam Dr. Rajeshwari for the inaugural ceremony. I request our Madam to grant permission to inaugurate the function and on her behalf to grant me permission to cut the ribbon. Madam.
Good morning all.
Yeah, good morning ma'am.
Yeah, permitted sir. Carry on.
And then
Most respected Dr. M. Rajeshwari Madam, Deputy Commissioner, Kendriya Sangathan, Chennai region, and respected Sri Meghanathan sir, Principal KV Sulu, learned teachers and beloved children. It is a great occasion for Chennai region for having almost 10 numbers gym, open gym for our KVs. So it is going to be a big asset to our students and staff also. And in open air, when you go and do your physical fitness exercises, so definitely you will be encouraged further, and it will be very good for your physical fitness. And make use of this resource properly. And I request our PET and sports in charges to train our children sufficiently so that so as and when they get opportunity to go and visit this open air gym, so definitely they will get sufficient training, motivation, and they will make use of it. And at the same time ensure that after reopening of the schools physically, all these training and physical fitness exercises being done by students must be carried out under the strict supervision of sports in charges that you take care. So once again I request all our sports in charges and teachers, so whenever you use this resource, use it properly and guide our children sufficiently. Once again I thank our principal sir and our physical education teacher Dr. Chandrasekhar sir and staff members for
Pleasant afternoon to everyone. The most sought after buzzwords are fit India in these trying times are health and fitness. So important that the government has started initiatives like Fit India and Fit KVNs. Mainly because fitness is not about being better than someone else. Fitness is being better than what one used to be. For this, we should never make a gym a second choice. It should always be a priority. So a priority for everyone becomes a priority for the organization. This resulted in this magnificent concept of open gym by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarters. And this is the brainchild, as I told you, of KVS headquarters with the support of our Deputy Commissioner, Madam. Some schools, including our school, have the privilege of opening this, inaugurating, opening, possessing this open gym in our premises. This is mainly for the fitness of children up 14 years and the staff. As we know that health is wealth, and in Tamil we say Suvarillamal Chittiram Varaya Mudiyadu. So to keep ourselves fit and to keep the mind always open to accept anything as an open parachute, so this gym is going to help us through and through. And as I was discussing with our physical director this morning, he said all the convenient hours in a day, the gym will be open for the use of students under guidance and for the use of staff in the evenings, so that they come refreshed the next day to the school. I thank our principal sir for having given me this opportunity to share how fitness is important for all of us.
Meghanathan, Dr. Chandrasekhar, TGT Physical and Health Education, respected teachers. I am so happy that this inauguration takes place at the correct time. And we have chosen only 10 schools in Chennai region. Because we have chosen the schools based on their performance and where principal is very active to take care of this gym, which is crores of rupees Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has spent. And it is a government school. You know, in India there are children studying in state government schools where there is no building for them to sit, no classrooms. But KVS is such an organization which is providing world-class infrastructure to the students, and that way this gym is a boom to all the students of KVS. And we could not provide it to all the 52. Today it is 52 Kendriya Vidyalaya in our region. Today one more Kendriya Vidyalaya Ilupakuri is sanctioned. So out of this 52 Kendriya Vidyalaya, we could choose only 10 Kendriya Vidyalayas based on the performance of the Vidyalaya, principals' effectiveness, and the TGT physical education who are active in those Vidyalayas. Those schools we have chosen. Similarly, Sulur is one of the schools closer to our heart. And personally to me, it is my school. I can very proudly say that I also contributed at least a very minimum to that school during my tenure. So that way I thought Sulur should be given to do the repair, maintenance, because this is the structure going to be there throughout life for the children. So many generations are going to come and learn in this infrastructure. So getting the infrastructure is not a big thing. Preserving it appropriately, on time, painting, and taking care of that minor repair and everything. Let the children, allow the children to play and exhaust it, but at the same time preserve it effectively, and teachers can also make use of it. Your PT master already started making use of it, so your principal can also make use of it. So anyhow, a strong mind is possible only in the healthy body. When there is no health, health is wealth. That we realize very late. Very late we realize, but you have to realize it now itself. It is not only for the children, for the teachers also. So that way I am very happy it is given to the right school where the staff members are very cordial and cooperative. Sulur is the very best school in Chennai region. I feel proud, and I always salute the great teachers, those who have contributed for that school. Academic performance, office, everywhere, whatever it may be, and right principal Meghanathan KV student is there to take care of that. With this, I requested Chandrasekhar also to make use of this gym very effectively. And all my best wishes. Once again, it is my proud privilege to inaugurate this gym, and also to thank all of you for being kind enough to invite me for this inaugural program. And God bless you. All the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam, for your pleasing words and suggestions. Very rightly, you pointed out on two factors, madam. A sound body and a sound mind and health is well. I thank you once again for having concrete trust, faith and confidence the team of KVAFS Sulur towards our academic and the other cultural and sports career. So once again on behalf of KVAFS Sulur fraternity, thank you, madam. Now I would request Dr. Chandrasekhar to express the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all of you. It is a pleasure to propose the vote of thanks at this time of great joy. Joy because being a sports person myself, I have experienced the necessity of a gym in a person's life to keep fit and healthy. My heartfelt thanks goes to this great organization Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan for having this possible. I thank our Deputy Commissioner Dr. M. Rajeshwari for her encouraging presence on this August occasion. She herself is a woman with a great interest in sports, which is evident from her initiative in different regions. She has worked as Assistant Commissioner. She keeps herself fit, practicing yoga regularly. I would like to thank our Honorable Assistant Commissioner Sri Pramanandam Sir for his valuable speech and his presence and always encouraging a sports personality. And I also thank Mr. V. Meghanathan, Principal of this Vidyalaya, Headmistress Madam Radha Venkatesan, and my beloved staff members. And also I thank who helped me to erect this gym last 1 week, directly and indirectly. And also I thank each and every one of you to present in this inaugural ceremony for Open Gym. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. This machine name is called triceps puller. Working out your triceps helps to build upper body strength and essential part of any strength training routine. Strong triceps stabilize your shoulder joint and are important for daily activities and sports such as tennis, volleyball and basketball. Workout can be done 10 to 15 times in 3 repetitions. This machine name is called cross trainer, also known as cardio. This machine allows you to get a good aerobic workout which can strengthen your heart, lungs and muscles. This in turn can help build your stamina and endurance. You can perform both high intensity interval training as well as steady state cardio workouts. This equipment name is called back extension. Back extension exercise can strengthen lower back muscles. This includes the erector spine which supports the lower spine. Back extension also works the muscles in your butt, hips and shoulders. If you have lower back pain, back extension exercise might provide relief. This equipment name is called sit-up board double. The exercise improves the strength of the abdominal muscle and the flexor group of muscles of the hip and upper thigh. This sit-up trainer gives your entire core muscles group a workout. There are 2 distinct positions on the sit-up trainer, one with the feet down and the other with feet up, held under the support bar. This equipment name is called double twister. The 2-sided rotator features 2 positions combining the standing and sitting rotators. The twisting motion stretches the obliques and abdominal muscles and serves to align the spine and lower back. This exercise can be done up to 2 people at a time and they can do 5 to 7 minutes in 3 repetitions. This equipment name is called chest press cum seated puller. This equipment hosts one of the most basic and effective upper body strength exercises. The chest press supports and promotes upper body strength and strengthens the triceps, pectoralis and deltoid in the pressing motion. This exercise can be done in repetition, starting off with 5 to 15 repetitions and building thereafter. Experiment with different levels of intensity. This equipment name is called rower. It helps to strengthen the upper body muscles. This equipment name is called leg press. The leg press machine allows you to get the benefits of the barbell squat for developing the quadriceps, and it develops the gluteus maximus, hamstring and halves. By varying your foot position, you can emphasize different muscles. It builds strength in these muscles and you can use it to overcome imbalances, such as when runners have more developed hamstrings than quadriceps.